Hello, welcome back to my channel YouTube Ardimaspanji official. I will today making for the brand is the name Millions. I'm making for the design is the Bodysuit swim streetwear design. Let's check it out. This one for the design bodysuit design. Look at that with the fire. This is for the back. Look at this. This is for the design. Look at that. Whoa. If you like, comment on my YouTube channel. Okay. And then I will show you for wear frame like that. Whoa, you see my original design. It's everything detail I'm making for the design. See, I will show you close up like this. This is for the front design, and then from the back. Okay, I will show you for the brand. This is from the brand. Its name is Mud2Million Apparel. This is the collection. Okay, I will show you from the conversation. This is from the conversation. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, you see. This is for the separate file. If you want to order to me collection streetwear or the clothing like a backpack, sneaker design or everything collection, I can do that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my YouTube. And then for the design for the bodysuit, I'm so sorry for my speaking English. I still learning. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time on my YouTube channel. Bye bye.